Hey guys, so it is decluttering day. I'm in the salon right now. There is the stylist here, so I don't know if you can hear the background, like there's music going and stuff. So I'm basically gonna go through all of my stuff today and try and declutter things that I don't use, or for example, maybe like colors that I never ever reach for or never used, or my clients don't ever gravitate towards it. It's time to kind of declutter because I have too much stuff, and honestly it gets a little bit overwhelming, especially if I'm trying to think of a design and I have like so many choices. Like, it's definitely not a bad problem to have, but I just want to make sure the stuff that I have is being used, and if it's not being used, then I'd rather give it to somebody else who will use it, or put it in a giveaway, or if there's some things that just needs to be out, then just throw it away. It's definitely time to go through some stuff. If you've been following me on Instagram, I don't know exactly when this video is going to be up, but if you've been following me on Instagram, you might have seen that I'm getting my own studio. So that's the main reason why I'm going through all my stuff, because all this stuff's going to be packed and moved to the new place. So I want to do like a really good deep clean before I move all the stuff over, just so I can start like really organized in the new space. So I'll definitely have more videos. I'm currently like filming as I'm working on the new studio, and then I will eventually have like a full tour of the new studio. So just kind of so you know, there will be stuff coming up about that if that's what you're looking for. So I have all these shelves with polishes. I'll probably just look through my swatches and decide if there's anything that I don't really need in here, then I'll pull it out. If something is still usable and it's already been used, then I will probably just gift it to one of my nail tech friends in the area or something. If something is brand new and it's never been used, I will probably save it for like a giveaway. So I'm just gonna kind of sort things out as far as that goes. I definitely, have a lot of stuff because I do social media content with nails, and also I do see clients regularly and I have a pretty full schedule. So I do use a lot of these products. I just know that there's certain colors and things that I never reach for. So some of these drawers are pretty organized, some of them are not. So this is like all my Light Elegance glitters. And this one is all like potted color gels and gel paints, that kind of stuff. But you can kind of see that it's there. Some of these are like double stacked. Also in the new place, I have one more shelf. So I will have one extra shelf for a little bit more room. And I actually have one more of these. So I'm gonna have two behind me. So that way, I'd rather have like a couple empty drawers or something for growing, or whatever else could come in the future. So I'd rather have a little bit extra room than be like crammed. So this drawer, let's see, it's all loose glitter. I definitely don't need all this loose glitter, so I'll probably going through some of that. So that's what's in these drawers. Some of them are organized, some of them definitely need more help in that area. This top drawer, definitely I need to go through these brushes and completely throw away, like, I think quite a bit, because I don't use half of these brushes in here, and some of them are like really old and like crusty looking, so those need to be tossed. That one's probably fine. This is like embellishments and stuff, which is actually pretty organized, I think. This is all backstock of products, so like extra pots of gel that I have. This side, let's see, this one's pretty, I think this actually whole side is almost all the way organized. So I think this side, I actually just went through it recently, so I think it's actually pretty good on this side. This is all my stamping stuff. The bottom, I think, is just like extra containers and whatever, so that is what's gonna happen. So I think first I'm gonna start, because I already know there's brushes that I just need to toss in there, so I think I'm gonna start over here first. So first I started pulling out all of my brushes and like little tools and different things that I have in this top drawer, just so that I could organize them into their categories, as well as throw any away that were gross and way their life was done. So I just tossed them if they looked like they were done and I really wasn't reaching for them anymore, threw them away, or if I had doubles or anything like that. I also had a lot of just caps sitting in this drawer for brushes that I never actually put the caps on top of. So I had a lot of these extra caps in it, so I threw those away also and just worked on getting these brushes organized. Once all the brushes were out, then I went ahead and wiped the inside of the little organizer with some alcohol to get it really nice and cleaned up. Also, if you're curious about any of the organization products I have in my drawers or the drawers itself, these are the IKEA Alex drawers, but I will make sure and put everything in the description box below, all the links of what I use for organization. I also had brushes in this little container sitting on my desk, which was like brushes that I would have used like regularly, except it was kind of random what was in there. So I made sure and went through those brushes as well. And then when I reorganized, I put brushes back in this container that I use all the time that I would like to have out actually on my desk. Once I got the brushes back into the container, it looks so much better already. I just threw a lot of them away. I started pulling out all of the gels that I had in there, and if any of the jars were like almost empty and I could kind of put that extra product into one of the other jars or something, that's what I did. Or I had some gels that I just weren't using, so I cleaned them up and I took them home so that I could give them to one of my friends. I made sure to go through my backstock of gels as well and pull some from out of there if it was like a full container, and kind of get really nice and organized for the gels that I reach for the most, like out in the top drawer. Now that the top drawer is done, it was time to move on to the next one, which has all of my tools and implements in it, as well as brushes, some top coats, some bits, some forms, just kind of like other stuff that I would reach for regularly. So I just had some empty containers in there, some empty baggies, make sure and throw all that stuff away. And then I went through and cleaned out all of the compartments again and reorganize some of the products. next I went through all of my backstock, and there were some products in there that honestly just needed to be tossed or given away because I know that I wasn't going to use it. Top coats and stuff that I use all the time, once it starts to get low, I'll throw it in my backstock, and then I can use it to kind of fill up the next bottle when that bottle gets a little bit low. So I never want to throw away any products, especially like top coats that I use all the time that I need. So I always, if there's any little bit left in the jar, I'll keep it, save it, and then I will use that to fill up another jar later. So I did all of that so that I could get all of that extra bottles and stuff cleared out, and then I just kind of reorganized it. So next I went through all of my colors and kind of tried to decide on colors that I didn't use very often, or if I had colors that were really, really similar to each other, I kind of tried to pick one that was like my favorite and take out the other to give to one of my friends. Then I started working on my glitter drawer, which was obviously a crazy mess. So I went through my glitters, and I have tons of Magpie glitters now. So if any of them really matched any of the Magpie glitters, I made sure and, kept one or the other and not keep both, and just went through any of the glitters that I knew that I never used or reached for or looked very, very similar to other ones, just to kind of get this drawer a little bit cleaned up better. So in the end, these are kind of all of the gel products that I ended up cleaning out, and there's quite a bit, and I took out all the swatches as well. And then I've got some more gel products and some sanding bands, some files, lots and lots of glitters. So I feel like I did a pretty good job at cleaning out the stuff that I knew that I wasn't going to use. And then I have this big garbage bag as well that I filled up very nicely, so it felt pretty good to get rid of some stuff. So in the end, I ended up with this nice big box full of products to donate. It feels always really good to declutter. Like, I feel like a weight's been like lifted off when I get rid of stuff that I'm like, I'm never gonna use this, just let it go. So I have that, and then I also have a whole nother box that I've actually been saving up from the last time that I decluttered in my cabinet as well. So I will add it to that. So here's some footage of all of my stuff as I started packing it up for my new studio. So I'm so excited. Stay tuned for more videos on that. I will be sharing the full process of moving into my new studio, as well as a studio tour once it's all done. So if you're really interested in seeing this whole process, then make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those future videos.